Let's look the how to create the door and the glass part. Those detail you can see the overall is done. So now let's go for the details. So if you see inside view, you can see the door details, the marks you can see here, and you can see here also. So what I'll do, I'll select before that you be sure that they're in exactly the correctly positions there or not. Okay, so be sure that they are on the door line. So this should be correct positions. That is very important, right? So now what I'll do, first let me select all the faces, right? So before doing, again you can symmetrical on. So other side you can see. So you can do both sides, or you can make it a half, and later you can do the mirror. So anything is fine. So so let's select all the faces, the polygons. So you see these positions are not correct. So that's what I'm saying. Uh, so I'll correct it, then I'll go for the selection. So be sure that the positions are correct or not. Okay. I think this is fine. This will go a little further. Right. Now it's fine. Or you can select directly like this. Okay, selection is there. Okay. So again, go to the selections, control shift. You can select. Okay. So now the selection is fine. You can select out, it will be everything. And then select. So this is a face mode, you can see. Correct. So it's selected. So now what you do, you have to extract. Right. You have to extract. This extract so that it comes separately on the main object. Right. You can see. This looks fine. So like that, you have to each area you have to extract like the separate objects. Even also your light area you have to extract this. They will do slowly one by one. Let the do the major part, then we'll come back to the lights and small details. Now again you have to this there are two doors. So what you can do again you can select like this, right? So now you can do the again extract. So that will become two pieces. So this is one, is another one. This is fine. So again, you see this, not luckily, that I'm saying for all the areas with people double check. Okay, fine. This is the now. You just assume this is your to line. So now next to what you do, again you have to extract the window line. Okay. So again you select this and you can make extract from the door. So you check it in perspective. It's fine. So again extract was easy. Okay. So now it is done. Fine. So same thing you have to do here also. Just look at here. I think this is another part. So that's what I'm saying. Before doing all those things, you should be very careful. All the things are in proper shape or position. There is no ups and down is fine. If that side is something you feel not correct, please correct it. Then do for that. Go for that. So now again extract. Okay. So I got it. This one, two, three, four, five. Okay. Then. So now, now right now, I think this is not. You can delete this. Later part you can mirror it once this part is done. So for that, what you do, I can come back to the just disable the symmetrical. So how to do the details right now? We'll see. So what you can do, so you can have uh, the thickness of the object, right? So that will give you the detail of the surface. Okay. So each you should have an extrude, right? So you can go for extrude and go towards inside. Okay. So if you go towards inside, what will happen? So it will go to inner surface. Okay. So you need not to worry about the outer. If you don't go like this, so then again, uh, okay, I think it's not an issue, but then you see the position is changing. Okay. So go for inner. So that will not change any outline. I think. If then edit there, if anything is fine, that I don't mind. So okay, this is just go to like this. I think it's both are fine. I can let it go outside, no problems, and everything we should follow the same. And how much you are moving, that you decide the local axis how much you're moving. Just check it out where it is moving. You can see here. So maintain the same others. Okay, 0.05. So this will be the fine of the width of the like this. Okay, so 0.05 always maintain in the z axis. That's all. That's all. For each object, you have to maintain the same, and immediately you should have the inside edge of this. Okay. So I'll go for one more version. Same thing as my computer D Maya 0303 is fine. So now if you press 3, what will happen? So just look at your isolated, you see it is not fitting to this. So what I should do for that, uh, I should give the support, right? So for that, you can go for insert slope, then and the age, you give the support. I think all the sides you should give the equal distance. Try to give always, and this to hold this also, you should need support, right? That detail will not be there. Okay, so now stick it up. We'll go for 3. Then you zoom in that detailing is nice. Looks nice. Looks like metal. So that is the hard surface modeling. And this side is looks very soft. The because there is no edge loop support. So you can click here and bring to the close. So this area got the support. Same thing. You should have the bottom support also that you need. Right. So you can just click and move, and you got the finally this part is over. Okay. So just press 3. You can see and just isolate remove. You can see it is nicely fitting, and you can see that the details are there. So everything, be sure that all are moving towards front. uh, I know this will be a little difference in there, but still that's fine. Okay, or if we push inside also is fine, but already one what you're doing first one, same thing you should do for others. Okay, right. So now this will take although same thing, go for extrude, so really, and point zero 0.05 we decided. Okay, that will maintain for all the pieces. Same thing, repeat, then there is loop, then okay, fine, right, right. Same thing you'll do here also. The very easy techniques to do the details here also. Right. So it's over. I think press 3. I think it is staying same place. Okay, fine. Just isolate off, and you can see it looks very good. Okay. So now we'll go for the glass part. So glass part, I don't think so. You have to do the border part. Okay. To do the border, so you should have the edge loop again. You need for that, or you can select everything and extrude, and you can make the border. So that way it's fine. Anything is fine. So what you do, select okay, fine, extrude. Okay, extrude and go for the offset. So offset zero point 0.1, right, too much. So zero point 0.01. I think this is creating some issues, you can see. So I'll not go for this way. So I'll go for insert as look to that will be better choice, I think. Okay, so go for insert as look. So give the border here, right? So just see the image and try to match the border. So here you see it is little different, and here it will be very close. And again, this area will be like this, fine. So now this is the way you have to make the border, right? So so this area it is not matching. So what you can do, just manually you can move. Just control shift. Always use control shift, or you can move directly like this. No problem. So this is the way you got the inner side. Okay, fine. So don't tweak that side anything. This is fine. So this is your glass part is done. So what you can do? Uh, so this is inner glass. You have to keep the depth, right? So generally glass will be going inside. So so for that, this can be extracted. So edit mesh, you can extract. Okay. So that's all done. So now, what will do? This part, what you can do, you can extrude, right? So anything, everything is extruding towards uh, extruding, and you're doing z direction like this, and you're following the point zero 0.05, right? That's what you're doing. So everything will do like that. So now glass position is the same positions, no issues. So now this can make the same, maybe you can make on glass materials right now temporarily. You can give it a little transparent and give a black color. That's why you can manage right now. Okay. So so now this is the another, you can give the same thing for like tire color. You already have existing material right in another tire. You use Lambert 3. Let it be like that. Okay. So later you can change. So now you see if you press 3, what is happening? It is not again, the issues are there. So you have to solve this using the insert edge loop. So in the image plane, you see it's there is no round. It's very straight. So and also you have to give the support things there. So select the I select, okay. Then you go for support insert edge loop. Here you give support here this way and this way. So when you give press 3, it will not go. It will not make arch. Okay. So it will stay linear. So like that, here also it gives support, here it gives support, all the areas it gives support, so it will not change the positions. So it will become very sharp and smooth and look like a metal piece, right? So this is the way you have to do. Then you have to here, all the sides you have to do the support. So again, you see the this edge inside also fine. So everything is done. Just you have to check on here also because here also should be linear. So it will hold that area. Then go for plus 3. You see now nicely holding this part and this part also. Just check whether it's matching or not. Yes, fine. And just here you see the issues. So whether you want to hold that, then again you have to give the support. So encourage loop and just hold, sorry, uh, hold that area. So mesh encourage loop, hold that area, and here also hold that area. So what will happen? It will not have much arch. You can see now it is holding nicely. That looks fine. So now check it up. This looks fine. So okay. So nicely holding that part. And the same thing, how to make this is the same what you did for this. The same process you can do. So I did not show that how to do. Same thing, you insert edge loop and insert edge loop, insert edge loop. Just I just make the insert edge loop, the rest of things you can do yourself. So just I'll show you my mesh insert edge loop. Just repeating again, sorry. You have the insert edge loop here, and you have insert edge loop here, and you have insert edge loop here. Sorry, yeah, there's all the side and this side you can see here. So now see you got the back side out of the same thing you have to make just you have to extract, right? That's the extract part again. Just you go for indigenous extract. Okay, that's fine. Okay, the same thing, just extremely clearly I found something again. Okay, fine. And this one you have to extrude, right? This one you have to be the extrude, extrude. And again, point zero 0.05, what you decided for point, zero 0.05 for all the papers. That's right. So now see it is the height is matching. So now it is also can be the same lambda what you gave before for the tire, but not lambda 3. It's just lambda 2, no, but existing material lambda 3, yes, lambda 5, fine. So this is what the procedure to how to make the pieces. So further class will continue for the front glass and back side glass. So hope you understood till this. Thank you.